I'm just going to show you how to make a tassel. So you want to measure out 14 inches. Now you can make yours any size you want, but I'm just going to show you this size. I think it's a good size tassel, so 14 inches. And I want to cut a total of 24 pieces. And just to keep it moving along quickly, I don't measure every piece, just a rough estimate is fine. We'll trim all of our ends at the end, so this just makes it a little bit quicker. Okay, so I've measured out my 24 pieces, and then you just want to take your scissors and trim all those loops. Both ends. And you can just run your fingers. And usually you'll snag if there's one you've missed. Okay, so next you just want to grab 2 extra pieces for tying. The first one will tie around the center. And you can just let that fall and just make sure your pieces are hanging as even as you can. And then you just want to knot. Okay. Just keep your ties sort of out of the way. You'll use them to tie onto your blanket or your scarf, whatever you're making your tassel for. And then we want to take our other piece of yarn to make our ball. And if when you're doing that you just loop around twice, it just helps secure your knot when you pull it in. And you can keep it like that, or you can wrap the yarn around the ball a couple times. And then tie another knot. Once you have that knotted, you want to take those ends and your yarn needle and just go and weave them down underneath the tie. Okay, and then we have all of our messy ends, so we're just going to want to trim them evenly. If you have a steamer, it's a great idea to steam. Just it'll help that lay flat. And I like to just go a couple different ways when I'm trimming just to make sure. And there's your tassel. Okay, and when you're attaching your tassel to a blanket or garment, you want to tie it on. And then to get rid of these ends, what you want to do is weave them down through your tassel ball and right underneath. And then you can just trim those ends so that you don't have any stragglers.